Alright guys, so this is gonna be part 4 of making this Wolfenstein New Order assault rifle. And yeah, I'm gonna start here with the nozzle now actually. I'm gonna do that and then I'll kind of start patching things together. At the moment it's okay, there's a few issues that I probably should have kind of fixed, such as I shouldn't have bullied in this specific part here into this. I probably should have kept it separate, I think. Probably would have been better. I should have been kind of keeping it mostly as separate pieces, but I think having them together will probably be a little bit of a smarter idea for the most part. Guess this I could boolean in, so I'm gonna do that now. So I'm gonna press this, I'm gonna press Q, select these two. Oh, what else can I select? Maybe this as well. I'm gonna press Q to boolean that together. And then this trigger, I'll boolean it into this as well. I'll right click to confirm that. Oh, what's going on there? There we go. So now that's all one solid piece. That's good. But yeah, I should have kept that part separate. But well. So the way I think I'm going to tackle this, I still have to put some more details in this and some more details throughout. But I'm thinking the way I'm going to tackle this is I'm going to make the overall shape here of this and then see how it goes. So I'm going to do that from the origin line here, so like from the center, and I'll mirror it over. I think that'll probably be the best choice. So I can do spline curve. I'm going to click, 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 and I'll right click to confirm that. I can do an edge from here to here and then straight down, and then there's going to be a circle at the bottom. So I'll confirm that. I'll grab my center circle and just put the center circle here and just drag out to about there. That's actually a bit big. Nah, it has to be that size actually. So let me see, center circle from here to there. Right click to confirm that. Then I'll grab these curves here. So this one, press J, I'll join them together. Then I'm going to mirror it, so Alt X, and I'll mirror over onto that side, which will leave us with this. And then I can select all of these and press J. Actually did it kind of. Actually, if I select all of these and Shift D to duplicate them, I can then trim out that part. Actually, didn't need to duplicate them. I'm actually going to delete them. I'll trim out this section, although I do want that line there, so maybe not. So actually, I'll leave it like that. So that will get me the overall shape here, and then that will be okay. Yeah, let's leave it like that. So I'll build it a little bit here, and then I'll see what I can do. So I'll go into face mode, select these faces, and then just pull them out. So that did get rid of that little section there. So what I'll do instead is I'll just pull this part out, like so, to create this area. I'll right click to confirm that, then select this face, press O, inset it, just like a little bit, something like that. Right click, confirm that. Select this face, pull it out, and press S to scale. I can't scale that. But I can add this little bevel here, and that will do it. Yeah, Yeah, that looks alright. So just bevel that edge. And I can grab this part and extrude that out a little bit. Oh, so E to extrude just a little bit. Right click, then select this, O to inset it again. Offset it, sorry. Then I can select this piece and just extrude that out. Do a little bit for now and then I'll work out what's going to happen here in specific later. Might actually just put in that bevel that it has there. Something like that. Cool, that's looking decent. Could bevel these two edges as well. Just a little bit. Let's see. Something like that. Nice. Then next I can go into face selection, select this top face and just pull it back. So select actually all of this and I'll pull it back just until here to create that rough frame. Right click to confirm that. And I'm going to need to create like a point here to kind of cut that. Or actually I could grab my curves, press G, move them back a little bit just so that's outside of it. Select this specific part and then just pull that out. Like so. Then I'll delete my curves. Go into object mode, select this, or body mode. Press G and just going to move that into it so I can boolean it together. Then I can select this, press Q, Q. Right click, confirms that. Don't know why that edge stay there, but I'll be fine. Okay, that's looking cool. So I'm going to cut out that little area here. And then what happens is it will go... I'm actually going to control Z until where I deleted those curves, because I want to keep the curve actually. And then I'll move this in. Right click to confirm it. Select this, QQ. Right click. I'll keep the curve because I'll use it for that little... Oh, my references disappeared. This is Pure Ref, by the way, which is really nice reference software. So I was looking at the nozzle here, that specific section there. So what I'll do is I'll just select these edges, press E and extrude them out like so. Then I think if I press Shift T, I can give it a little bit of thickness like so. And that'll actually give me a really nice frame there that I'll use. Let me just see what that looks like. And it's a little bit bigger than... No, it's not. Is it? Yeah, it is. It's like slightly higher up, which this one is already, which is very good. Yeah. Nice. So no longer need those curves now. Delete those. I'm gonna go to my front view or my right view here. I'm just gonna cut out this part here. So I'll go in with my corner rectangle, click, and click. Right click to confirm that. Select that face. Pull that out. Right click. G. Move that in. Oop. Move that in. Press S. Scale that out. Then I'll select the solid here and I'll press Q, select that, right click to confirm that. And we've cut that part out. Nice. Now go into edge mode, select this edge, and I'm just going to fillet that so we get that nice curve. And I'll select this curve I no longer need, I'll delete that. Select this, move it in, and this I'll just Q to boolean those together. Move that in. You can even press S and just scale it up a touch. I'm going to go into face mode, select these faces, and pull them out so it's a little bit thicker on the inside. That's looking pretty nice. So now I can select all of these, and I can press G, or sorry, R to rotate, and I want to rotate it by 90, so I'm going to type it in here. This is like a CAD program, so every single kind of thing that you do, like extrusions, bevels, and so on, you can input like values, which is quite nice. So you can get some pretty nice results. I'm gonna press S and scale this. S, scale it down. G, move that down. Move it over to the side. -1 and 0. Now I'm just going to place that there. Don't know if there is a snapping option to snap to. Let's see, enable snapping and then snap to grid on. So I should be able to just snap to the center maybe. Let's see. So it doesn't snap to the actual point that I wanted to, so I'm just going to switch that off and just manually move it. I'll be fine. Alright, so let's look at a reference and see where that sits. So it does sit down here. Straight after this part. Oh, something happened there. I'm going to have to fix that. On the other side it's fine. What I might do is like I'll just at the end I'm just gonna cut every single object in half and then mirror it just to be safe. I'm gonna lift that up a little bit and then I'm gonna move it back until it like links up here, something like that. I'll also grab all of these, press S and scale them down a little bit, and G, move it up and back. Nice. So that's looking decent. So I need to cut out these holes. I need to do this whole bottom part, which is going to be a bit of a pain, but that's not too bad. So now I can start putting in, I can put in this top part here. So it should be pretty easy. I can just use my center circle and actually before I do that, let's escape. I'm just going to split the edge there. I'm gonna select this face, I'm gonna press O to offset it, I'm gonna offset it like this. right click, confirm that. Going to select this middle part, and I'm just going to pull it out ever so slightly. Right click to confirm that. And I'll go edge mode, and I'll just select all these edges. Just bevel them. That's looking good. And go back into the front view. Select my center circle. I'm going to say snap to grid on with a grid size of 1. Is that going to? Doesn't seem like it's snapping to the point. So I'll draw the circle up here, and then I'll pull it down after. So center circle. Okay, it's because the snapping is on. I'm just going to switch snapping off. There we go. To something like that. Right click to confirm that. Press G, just going to move that forward, move that down. Move this into place. Out a little bit till I can see it. I'll go into my front view here. Actually, that's fine there. Face selection, select this one. Oh. Move that out. There we go. I'll bring it in after. So I'm going to do something like that. Then edge mode, select this edge and do something like that. Right click, confirm that. Face mode, select this face and pull it out a touch. No, extrude it out, sorry. So E. Let me just get rid of this curve. I'll do that later. So confirm that, then go object mode, select it, G, push it in. So about there. Confirm that. Let me just look at the scale here. I think this needs to be further down. Something like that. Then I can go into my face selection, select this face. Let me zoom out and see what's happening here. E to extrude that. I'm going to extrude it to about halfway. Oh, E, about halfway across this pipe. Right click, confirm. Then I'll go into edge mode, select this edge, give it a bevel to about here. Right click, confirm that. Then face mode, select this face, pull it out. Or E to extrude it, sorry, extrude it out. Tool, about here. Cool. Our rifle is starting to come together. Don't know, I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do with this bottom piece here in specific, because there's a lot of stuff going on here. Well, that'll be a problem for later. Yeah, there's the 2 cylinders in here that are quite nice, which go here. So I'm actually going to put that in. And this part should be kind of linked to this. And I think I can achieve that by just pressing 2, selecting this edge and just beveling that like this, maybe. But then there's this edge here. So if I go and just pull that in and then delete, no. then confirm that. So let me just do that on this side as well and confirm that. So I don't really like this here, but I don't know how I'm gonna fix that yet. Again, I'm gonna split this whole thing down the middle in the end there. I think this is actually split here. It is, so I'm just gonna go into my face mode, select this face and pull that out, right click. And maybe I'll leave it. Once I mirror it, it should hopefully fix it. Alright, so to make those cylinders, I can just create a cylinder here and just put the center here and just pull it and pull it. Cylinder center here, pull it out. Right click and confirm that. Object mode, select my... Oh, that makes it part of the model, so I can't do that. Front view, I'll use my center circle instead. Pull that out till about here. Right click and confirm. Press G, move it over. Confirm it. Shift D, move it over. I'll confirm that. Go into this front view here and let's try and fix this. So that one's fine. Move this one over a little bit to about there. Actually, I'll delete that one and then I'll do it after, once I finish this one. I'm going to make it quite long because it's going to go on the other side as well. You can always scale it down after. Then select this face, offset it till about there. Right click, confirm that, select this face and pull it in just a little bit. Press S, I'm just going to scale it. Oh. Object mode, select it, press S, scale that down. G, position it. There we go. Press S, scale that up. And now I can mirror it. So Alt X, select to mirror over to that side. And then I can just simply press Shift D and move it over there. Confirm. Select both of these and I'm actually going to move them up. And stuff like that. I think that will work a little bit nicer. Oh, what happened there? And that one. And move them up. Yeah. Confirm that. I go into face mode, select this face, and then this face over here, and just pull them down to make that tighter, or tighter hole. Like so. And then edge mode, select that one, that one, that one, that one, and I'm going to give it a fillet like that. That's looking good. I'm going to select this body, then select this and this, and press Q, Q, so that they're part of the same mesh, because they were not. And then I can work on this small piece here. So what I can do to make that is I'm just going to click on this and press Shift D to copy that face, which creates a sheet from it. Or maybe I will actually draw it with my tools. So I'm gonna do that actually. So I'll go and create a center circle. I'll do it up here, center circle. Right click, confirm that, then line tool. So it starts from like here, then it goes up to like here, and then it goes straight up to about here, and then I can confirm that. Then another center circle here. Something like that. Press G, I'm gonna move that down to there. Oops. G. Move it down to there. I'm going to create another center circle in the center of this one to about there. Maybe a bit bigger. Then I can delete this, so I can go into trim. No, not trim. Actually, I don't need to delete it. I can just select it when I'm extruding it. So I'll just select these two. Oh, trim was on. Select this one, and I'll go to press Alt X, and then click to mirror it, and right click to confirm. And this isn't. I'm just gonna grab these two, press G, move them up a little bit. Oops. G, move them up a little bit. Right click. There we go. So we can close that. I'll also create a center circle here. I'm going to close that. And in face selection, I can select this, this, and this, and pull that out. Something like that. Object, select that, G, move it down. Now I need to position this. So I need to press S, scale that up. S, scale it up a little bit more. It could probably be scaled even more. Like that, yeah. Actually, even more. So it needs to come out, touch at the top there. So G, go into my side view so I can line this up a bit better. But there. Nice. Yeah, so we got a good bit done. Got this, and this. And fixed a couple things. Yeah, so we'll leave it here for this video, and then in the next part we'll finish this up, finish the nozzle here, and then we can start working on more details. Cool, thanks guys.